Hi guys and girls on YouTube, welcome to my channel. This is the second one of these Denon PMA 30 little hi-fis I've had in for repair, and I did a video on this a while back, but I've not got round to uploading it to YouTube yet. So I've got this other one in for repair, and I've forgotten how much trouble I had taking the first one to bits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a quick video here, just show you how to take it to bits, and then that'll serve as a reference in the future. If I ever get another one, I can just look at the video rather than try and remember. So just watch this for disassembly, and then we'll add this on to the beginning of the other video, and I'll upload it all in one. Right, so to disassembly, all we do is we undo these top two screws here. Right, so that's the two screws out. You'll find now that the lid doesn't want to move. It won't pull up. It will not. It's very, very tight. It will not budge. So what you do is you turn it on its side, and with a blunt, flat bladed screwdriver, just slip it down there and go like that, and the lid actually slides off. Don't try and lift it up. So once you've done that, put your hand under there and pull the lid backwards. Right, now I've slid this back as far as I can. It still doesn't want to move, and that's because of the way it's fastened. It's very, very tight. So try jiggling it backwards and forwards like that, and then that's it. You'll find it just lifts up. That's all you need to do to get inside it. Now, I've not figured out how the bottom comes off because I've undone these and it doesn't want to move, but the bottom doesn't have the same arrangement for fastening as the lid does. If you look on the top of the lid, there's these grooves here, and they actually go into a hole. They go into that hole there, and then when you slide the lid forwards, it locks under there, but it's very, very tight. If you look down there, the bottom doesn't seem to have the same arrangement, so I've no idea how the bottom comes off, but we're not bothered, because what we need to get to we can get with just the lid on, and also it's a fiddly thing to fit, because you've got to get them exactly in the right place, which takes a bit of jiggling, and then bang it right forwards. Right, so that's the disassembly of the unit. All you need to get inside is two screws and the lid off. Now let's come to the video on repair.